to another session of the Tea Talk with the Tohs. Today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the dads. Now, today we're gonna be having fun with our daddy. Not fun, but yeah, we'll also be talking about some nature and stuff.
Hello.
And
Happy Father's Day, everybody. Oh, not everybody. To all the fathers. How are you?
And even happy Father's Day to all the rabbit dads.
And chocolate dads.
Rabbit dads.
That means like the rabbit daddies.
Like the rabbit, you know?
So, man, what are we talking about today?
We're gonna be unboxing and talking about the best present for fathers.
You got a present for me?
Yes.
Really?
I got $1.
Really?
Alright, sis, you decide. Start with the cards or start with the presents?
I want to start with reviews.
Reviews?
Like Q&A.
Q&As, alright.
Q&A. Why don't start with the present first?
Yeah, exactly.
Or the cards first. I like presents, I like cards.
Okay, which one do you want?
You like presents, you like cards, you like yourself.
Yeah, I like everything.
Okay, which one do you want me to go first?
Cards first for me.
Alright. So you know which one's mine, right?
Yeah. Which one do you want first? Mine or sis?
Anything you decide.
Okay, first one is my sister's one.
Oh, so nice. You see?
Behind
Got stars, got hearts. Oh, so sweet. It says Happy Father's Day. And you wrote a poem for me?
I did.
A poem for you. Happy Father's Day. To all fathers, and especially to my beloved father. Strong, compassionate, and always kind. Happy Father's Day, Daddy. Oh, so sweet. Also, ang pao for me. Oh, thank you, Tiai. That's so nice. So sweet.
That's a special kind of writing, so it's like kind of
Calligraphy.
one side is thick, one side is thin. I like the effect of
Drink
it.
some tea.
Daddy love you. Okay. How about me? Where's
So,
yours?
like again, our dad has
Of course.
Charmander, and my sister has green tea for some reason.
Tea, like no sugar on.
Tea.
Okay. How about next one?
Next one is daddy's card. Not daddy's card, but yeah,
Get the
sis.
card while I enjoy my charm moment.
Okay, which one should I do next?
Your cards, of course.
Mine, okay.
Oh,
yeah.
so nice. It says, Happy Father's Day. You fly so high. Don't give up. You're amazing. Oh, he got a song for me.
No, don't read it out. It's really bad.
You want to sing the song?
No, I hate my song.
Oh, so sweet. Oh, he even draw our whole family, you see? Daddy. That's Daddy, right?
Why you got so much hair?
Mommy. Yeah, I have a lot of hair.
Yeah.
And my two girls. Oh, yeah, I like the hair.
That's mommy.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
She got
No, wait.
You are there. Wait, no, yours here. You're like, okay, whatever you're there. Okay.
We get power together with love. Wow, you got all power together. When you drink soy pro, you have power also. Oh, they like to give me ang paos. So sweet.
And
Thank
then
you.
there's hearts down here.
Oh, and lots of
See?
stars and hearts and
Look.
butterflies. Oh, okay. Thank you.
So when you pour it out, there's little hearts too.
Oh, okay, thank you very much.
And
Okay,
then
what's
this
next?
one, I also did it one.
Oh, another card.
And a
this is-
family memory from Hard Rock.
Oh, that's nice. That's the.
Dizaru.
Yeah, we took it at Dizaru Hard Rock. Oh,
Cute.
Happy Father's Day, we love you.
yeah, we really had a good time over there.
I love that place.
We
see?
went there with our
Anything behind? Oh,
grandmother.
the card behind. Okay, thank you.
I didn't color it because I didn't really have.
Love you. And how
Now,
about the
the
presents?
boxes
I
equals
love presents.
presents.
It's heavy. Please help me.
Oh. Oh.
Scissors, please.
You're really nice to me. You bought me so
No,
much.
I want to do it.
So many.
Yes, of course. But some are for my mom's customers.
Oh, okay. So not all of them are mine.
Yeah, not all. There's one more box.
Come on, let me help you.
It's like that. No, we're
Ah,
gonna
okay.
cut it like. Oh, you're clever.
There's the cup, the teapot.
Why are you putting that thingy?
protect it really well, is it?
Yeah, extra mouse. To be extra safe. Now,
You know, you don't want them to drop out of the cargo ships, right?
Definitely not.
That will be terrible.
These are precious presents.
why are you tearing this thing?
Doesn't matter. You don't need that.
Gosh, you guys are violent. Girl, violent.
Wow, which of these are mine?
Not this.
Not this. Okay, I'll just put it aside. Which of this is mine?
Sorry, bro.
And if you're wondering what this is, do check out our mom's Instagram because we shop online using the Elite and EXL app and it is so convenient. Everything is on our fingertips.
Both are mine? Oh, this one. Okay, only one of them is mine.
This is this.
Okay. What's this?
Wait, poker.
Strong!
Bro, my favorite.
He's gonna.
I saw there's another box. Is that for me also?
Yes.
Wow.
Not the whole
The box.
You guys are very generous. I love you guys.
One thing generous about you is that you say happy Father's Day to all the fathers. That means you even like rabbit fathers, lizard fathers, and fathers.
I'll do it.
I mean,
All of them are fathers.
sis, you like rabbits, right?
Careful, man.
Now rabbits watching this, do
So which of these are
rabbits watching this, my sister wish rabbit dads
Oh,
watching this.
Tooting. I love tooting as well. The rest are not mine.
Because it helps you grow hair. Helps you grow hair. Actually, that one we can give daddy because daddy likes coffee.
Yours cannot drink coffee, so you can go try.
Why you can't drink caffeine? Because you can't drink caffeine.
My two favorite products. Tooting. Huh? So May, why do you buy these two for me?
Because it can help you grow more hair.
Really?
Yeah.
So you say that.
Yeah, because ginseng.
Ginseng.
Okay. So how does it help me? These two.
The ginseng gives
Soya helps too.
So that helps too?
protein helps too. Fiber helps too.
Yes, I need a lot of protein
Yeah.
to grow hair
Yeah.
And win the next push-up competition.
and grow my muscles as well. Protein.
Rabbits.
What else?
Rabbits.
What
Rabbits.
else? What is it you bought tooting and supper for me?
Yeah.
What is it? Anything else?
No.
Protein? Because
And please replace to think with beer.
okay.
You've been drinking a lot.
Not really.
And this is actually for us, but we're gonna share.
Okay, very good. Thank
So,
you very much.
not. Drink.
What's your favorite one? Soy Pro or to think?
Both are my two favorites.
Like, which one do you like more?
Soy Pro.
Okay, because it helps you grow hair and it helps you grow muscles.
Yes, protein as well.
I like it.
Alright, now I'm gonna give you a Q&A on soy.
Okay,
Alright,
sure.
what are
Wow.
the differences?
So the present doesn't come easy. I must have Q&A one. Must answer it correctly, then I can have it. Is it?
No?
I think you answered correctly. I have full
Oh.
confidence in
Okay.
you.
Come, let's. Okay, I'll keep this.
What are the differences between plant protein and animal protein? Name two.
You want to try?
I-
Or let me help you.
okay.
No.
You answer one, I answer one.
Okay, one of the main difference is plant proteins have fiber. And
Plant?
yeah,
I thought you were saying animal.
and they have a lot of nutrients. Unlike animal proteins, they have lots of fats, cholesterols that we don't want. Right?
Yes.
Okay? Me, you want to try? No?
This is the magazine. Alright, next question. Is soy protein absorbed as readily as animal protein? That means is soy as easily absorbed as animal protein? Which one is more easily absorbed and
Oh, of course.
Yeah.
Of
Not
course, of course.
plant proteins, of course, right, mate?
Yeah, yeah.
Soy.
good? Who needs extra protein?
Who needs extra protein?
Me.
Why?
Because I'm a kid.
Yes, because you are growing. Me as well. Because I'm also growing my muscles.
Alright, that's
And-
very good.
And my daddy and mommy. they
My
also
daddy,
need-
your daddy.
Oh yeah, of course.
You said daddy.
And my mommy.
Yes, because they need to maintain their
Cheers.
muscle mass. And
Alright.
Soy Pro is the perfect choice.
Plus elders really like very sweet stuff. So I think the new one is better because it doesn't have fructose.
Definitely.
Actually, high proteins can help you feel fuller for longer periods of time.
All right, now we will continue.
Yes. What do you want to ask me?
I'd like to ask you something.
What does Father's Day mean to me?
Yes.
May, how about you start first? What does Father's Day mean to you?
It means a special day for Dad and a day that you need to say thank you to your dad, and also
Full of gratitude, isn't it?
Yes,
Because
I
of
feel
that-
like
I wrote this thing for you.
Okay.
爸爸的爱，父母。I actually wrote this.
You want me to read that?
I actually kind of forgot some words. I don't know.
Let me help you.
all right. Let me tell you.
妈妈的爱
That's mommy.
，yes，孩子之爱让大人少担忧，是
是父母
爱，是爱父母。
是爱父母，父母自爱，别让孩子没父母，是爱家。Don't understand.
Hey,
I
how about
don't
you say
know.
again? You didn't.
孩子自爱，让大人少担心担忧，是爱父母。父母自爱，别让孩子没父母，是
That's
爱
the
家。
bus.
Very nice.
Screenshot.
Screenshot now.
And if you don't know who this handwriting is, it's our amazing mom.
So should I share? Can I share? What
Share?
does Father's Day mean to me?
Yes. Can I share first?
Yeah, share.
Father's Day to me is like a day where we thank all our fathers for their hard work in supporting the family, helping us pay bills and household stuff,
Is that all we would like?
and also to give our fathers a break.
Thank you very much, Jen. So about me, can I share?
Sure.
So Father's Day to me, I think all fathers are very important because we are the pillar of the family. So what is most important as a father is that we must love ourselves. We must be healthy. And why? Because it's only when we are healthy, when we are well, we'll be able to support the family.
Yeah.
And not only that, as a father, it's important that we have the foresight and the leadership to see what to lead the family. Okay,
Like
to
a
lead the
president.
Yes.
A chairman.
The head of the family.
It's like this is me, and that's that's Tata, and that's mommy, and that's daddy.
So daddy's mission is not just to look after your daily needs. I have to look beyond that, right?
I love you.
I have to look beyond that. What in the future? For your future, for our future. So that's my feeling for Father's Day. Okay?
I like to sleep when I hug his arm.
Thank you, Daddy, for introducing us and letting us listen to EE and Dr. Chen talks.
So yesterday, we
Dr. EE actually had a live chat. So if you don't know, please go and watch it. Yeah.
And if you don't know where to find the video, please PM me. Okay? I'll let you know.
or my mom.
Okay.
Yeah, my dad or my mom.
The person be tagged.
Yeah.
So that's all.
No, we still have to talk about mythology.
Talk about what?
I don't know.
That's all. See you guys. Bye bye.
Wait!
Huh? Happy Father's Day.
Wait!
What?
Do you respect cookie fathers or rabbit fathers more?
Cookie fathers all?
Rabbit
Rabbit.
fathers.
They are all fathers. I respect all of them.
Oh, okay.
I respect rabbit fathers more.
Right.
Because it's cute.
Is this a boy? Is this a father?
Oh, no, this is a mother because it's rainbow. Okay, enough. Bye-bye.
Bye.
See you.
Bye.
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 Next week.
Bye.
Thanks for
Bye.
watching.
Bye. 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 Bye.